Jesse Galbraith here, U.S. Army veteran. I'm here to talk to you about Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, the course that I chose. PWA 2019, so that's Partner with Anthony 2019. I chose it because of the three reasons on the board. First is a low cost. The investment that you're going to put in is only $7 a month. It's going to teach you a step-by-step process, how to set up your business, the tools you need, and everything just nice and neatly tied up in a little present, and boop, it's given to you. I have tried a lot of online courses and never had a lot of success because they didn't connect the dots fully. With the Partner with Anthony, it finally connects the dots fully, and it's just something that I know for a fact is going to make it so you can be successful too. Within the first couple hours of finally launching the business, it takes about 7 to 10 days before you do. I got my first sell. Now my email list is up to a little over 200, and I'm only a few weeks in. I started at the beginning of March. Second reason is I met him in person at Ty Lopez's mastermind. I found that he's a super genuine guy. He actually wants to be there for you, take care of you, and help you, guide you through your business, which is super awesome. You don't find that very often. And then thirdly, he thinks differently. He was one of those people that actually made money doing infomercials, and that just shows some immense amount of focus and knowledge because not everyone can do it. And he got told he was going to fail and he wasn't going to be successful at doing it, but he did it anyway. So it's something that I would suggest you to look into is his course, because you're going to learn a lot of stuff that you can't find anywhere else, and you're going to be taught by someone that wants you to be successful. So choose Partner with Anthony 2019, click the link below, and I guarantee you that you'll have a lot greater chance of success by doing this course.